Very good morning to you all. Hope you all are good. So let's start the today's topic. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, that is pulses, cereals and oil seeds of chapter 2 plant. Alright, this is part 2 of this video. So yesterday I have discussed with you what are pulses. So I told you that pulses are the edible seeds. There are various types of pulses which we can eat. What are the things that we can prepare with the help of pulses? They are rich in nutrition. They are the major source of food. They are rich in proteins. So they are very healthy for us. Now today we will talk about cereals. Alright, today we will talk about cereals. So what are cereals? Do you know what are cereals? Cereals means अनाज. क्या होता है मीनिंग? अनाज. Cereals are the grains used by us as food. It is used by us as food which we eat in our lunch and dinner. From where do we get cereals? It is also provided to us by plants. Alright, we get cereals from plants. So basically cereals are the grains. Cereals are the grains used by us as food which we eat in our lunch and dinner. Now what are the major types of cereals? What are the things that we include in cereals? Cereals includes wheat. Wheat means गेहूँ. Rice, चावल, oats, बाजरा, maize. These are the major types of cereals. Other than this, there are also cereals available which we can eat in our food. So these are the major types of cereals. What are these? Wheat, rice, maize, bajra. So I have some of the cereals also to show you. This is called wheat. This is wheat. Wheat means गेहूँ. We eat wheat in the form of wheat flour as chapati. Alright student, this is the cereals which contribute major part of our daily diet. It is very healthy, very nutritious. So we must include wheat in our daily diet. Alright students. Another one. This is rice. Do you like to eat rice? Yes. It is very healthy for us also. We must include rice in our diet. They are very nutritious and very healthy. It is also a type of cereals which are available. Other than this also there are various types of cereals available which we can eat. Like I have already told you, like jowar, bajra, oats. There are various types of cereals. Alright. So cereals are very important part of human diet. They are very important because wheat is used as chapati, rice we use in order to eat in our lunch and dinner. So they are very essential and they contribute major part of our balanced diet. So हमें cereals, अनाज, गेहूँ in the form of roti or chapati we must eat. We must eat rice also. So these are very essential for us and our healthy diet. As they are rich in nutrition. They are very rich in nutrition. Alright, like flour of wheat is used to prepare bread, or chapati. Flour of rice is used to make various things like idli, dosa, etc. So they are used for various purpose which we can eat in our breakfast, lunch, dinner. So cereals are rich in energy. Cereals are rich in energy, nutrition and carbohydrates. They are rich in these things. Alright, so we must include cereals in our balanced diet. It is very essential for our balanced diet. Alright students, now as we know, balanced diet includes healthy food is essential. Essential means important for proper growth, and the cereals plays a major role in it. Alright, now you just write down your homework. You have to paste 5 type of cereals in your rough copy. I am writing 5. If you are not having 5 type of cereals, you can paste 3 or 4, whatever you can get easily. Alright, paste 5 types of cereals in your rough copy. Alright students, you have to paste 5 type of cereals. Thank you so much.